Hello, friends! It's wonderful to see you again at Do You Know English? I'm Fidelina, your teacher, and I'm so happy you're here again.
Hi, everyone. I'm Jake. And guess what? I had an amazing weekend.
Really? Tell us, what did you do?
I watched a movie, I met my friends, I cooked dinner, and I even washed the dishes.
Wow, that's a lot of action. And Jake, you just used our new grammar perfectly.
Wait, really?
Yes, you used the past simple, the tense we use for things that already happened.
Oh, I watched, I met, I cooked, all past actions.
Exactly. So today, friends, our topic is the past simple with action verbs. We'll save to be for another lesson.
Good. Let's keep things moving.
Perfect. We use the past simple to talk about finished actions. Yesterday, last week, an hour ago, or even in 2005. Think of it as telling small stories about what happened.
So we use it for all the fun stories.
Exactly. Grammar is storytelling. Let's start with positive sentences and build from there. Structure is simple. Subject plus the past form of the verb.
Okay. Subject, past verb. Got it.
So, friends, in the past simple, we use two kinds of verbs, regular and irregular. For regular verbs, we usually add ed. Listen to a few everyday examples. Work, worked. Clean, cleaned. Play, played. Watch, watched. Open, opened. Visit, visited. Start, started. Call, called. I worked yesterday. You played football last week. He visited his parents on Sunday. She cleaned her room in the morning. It rained last night. We watched a movie on Friday. They cooked dinner together.
I worked yesterday. You played football. Okay, I think I got it.
See? English has rhythm. Now let's smoothly add the special guests, irregular verbs, so nothing surprises you.
Oh no, the scary list.
Not scary at all when we practice in context. Some common ones are go, went, eat, ate, see, saw, have, had, make, made, take, took, come, came, buy, bought, find, found, meet, met. Now, listen to sentences. I went to the park yesterday. You ate pasta for dinner. He saw a movie on Saturday. She made a cake for her family. It took 2 hours to cook. We had fun at the party. They came home late.
I went to the park yesterday. She made a cake for her family. Okay, I think I got it.
Perfect, Jake. You're doing great.
Yesterday, I go shopping and I buyed some shoes.
Nice try, but two small fixes. Say, I went shopping, not I go, and I bought some shoes, not buyed.
Ah, right. Irregular verbs. We change the word, not just add ed.
Exactly. For regular verbs, we add ed like played, cleaned. For irregular verbs, the whole word changes like go, went, buy, bought.
Okay, got it. I went shopping and I bought shoes.
Perfect. You fixed it. Mistakes help us learn.
That's my superpower, learning through mistakes.
Then you'll be a superhero soon. Tell us more. What else did you do yesterday?
I cleaned my room, I watched a movie, and I called Tom.
Excellent. All regular verbs, and called is also regular with ed.
And then I eat dinner with Penny.
Careful. I ate dinner, not I eat.
Oh, right. Past simple. Ate.
Good. You're getting faster.
And after dinner, I played guitar, but very badly.
Practice makes perfect, even if your neighbors disagree.
Hey, my guitar was in tune for the first minute.
I'm sure it sounded great. So yesterday you cleaned, watched, called, ate, and played a full day.
Wow, I did a lot yesterday.
And you used past simple very well, mostly. Now let's smoothly move from positives to negatives so you can say what didn't happen.
Oh yes, my favorite part, saying no to everything.
Not exactly. It's just describing what didn't happen. Here's the rule. We use did not or didn't plus the base form of the verb.
Base form means the simple infinitive, no ed, no changes.
Exactly. Didn't sends us to the past, so the main verb stays simple. Listen, I didn't work yesterday. You didn't play football. He didn't visit his parents. She didn't clean her room. It didn't rain last night. We didn't watch a movie. They didn't cook dinner together.
Okay, I see. Didn't resets the verb to the base form.
Nicely said. Now a few with irregular verbs. I didn't go to the park. You didn't eat pizza. He didn't see that movie. She didn't make a cake. We didn't have time. They didn't buy souvenirs.
Yesterday, I didn't went to school.
One small fix. After didn't, we never use the past form. Say, I didn't go to school.
Right. Didn't already means past, so the verb stays simple.
Exactly. Did is the helper that carries the past. The main verb can relax.
So didn't does the heavy lifting for me.
That's one way to put it.
Okay, next one. I didn't ate breakfast.
Grammar man, -1 point. Say, I didn't eat breakfast.
Oh no, defeated by irregular verbs.
Every superhero needs practice. Give me 3 more negatives.
I didn't watch TV last night. I didn't call Tom. I didn't clean my room.
Great job. All 3 are correct. Now let's turn that energy into questions.
I knew it. The did you storm is coming.
Exactly. To make questions, use did plus subject plus base verb. For example, did you study yesterday? Did he play football? Did she cook dinner? Did it rain last night? Did we go to the library? Did they call their friends?
So no ed, no past forms, just did plus base verb, like did you go, not did you went.
Perfect. And short answers are simple too. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Yes, we did. No, we didn't.
Okay, so did you study yesterday? Yes, I did. Did you wash the dishes? No, I didn't. I'm sorry, Mom.
Poor mom. But great grammar. Let's keep the pace with a tiny game. I'll ask, you answer fast.
Ready for the grammar workout?
Did you eat breakfast this morning?
Yes, I did. Pancakes and coffee.
Did you clean your room?
No, I didn't.
Honest answer? Did you call Tom yesterday?
Yes, I did. He was late again, as usual.
Typical Tom. Did you watch a movie last night?
Yes, I did. A scary one. I didn't sleep after that.
And did you study English before bed?
I didn't. But I dreamed in English. Does that count?
Half a point for creative effort. Now let's bring in our friends. Real life practice always helps.
Always ready.
Did Tom go to the gym yesterday?
No, he didn't. He watched football instead.
Sounds like Tom. Did Penny study for her test?
Yes, she did. She studied all night.
Good for her. And did Lucy take new photos?
Yes, she did. She posted them online already.
Excellent answers. Before we wrap up, let's catch a few common mistakes so you don't make them. Don't mix did with past endings. Say, did you go, not did you went. Say, did he play, not did he played.
Right. Only one past per sentence. Did is enough.
Exactly. Now a short yesterday chat. natural conversation with past simple.
Ready to go.
Did you wake up early?
Yes, I did. I woke up at 7.
Did you go to class?
Yes, I did, and I even arrived on time.
That's new.
I'm improving.
Did you eat lunch with Tom?
No, I didn't. I ate with Penny. We tried a new cafe.
Nice. Did you like it?
Yes, I did, but Penny didn't. She said the soup looks suspicious.
Poor Penny. Maybe next time pizza.
Agreed. Pizza solves everything.
Let's lock it in with a quick transformation check. I'll say a sentence. You change it to negative, then to a question.
Challenge accepted.
She played the guitar.
She didn't play the guitar. Did she play the guitar?
Perfect. You see, once you know the pattern, it's easy. Now, let's finish with a mixed round. Positives, negatives, and questions in one go.
Garmer Man is ready for the finale.
I'll say it in the present, you make it past. Then I'll flip one to negative and one to a question. Ready?
Ready.
I play football.
I played football.
He watches TV. Make it negative in the past.
He didn't watch TV.
You study English. Make it a question in the past.
Did you study English?
Excellent. Full score. Time for the big recap and a cozy goodbye.
Happy part.
Here's the whole picture. Positive. I played. You worked. He watched. She went. We studied. They cooked. Negative. I didn't play. You didn't go. He didn't study. She didn't eat. We didn't call. They didn't visit. Questions? Did I play? Did you go? Did he study? Did she eat? Did we call? Did they visit?
And short answers. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Yes, they did. No, they didn't.
Perfect. You sound confident and clear.
A confident native speaker with a cute accent.
Your accent is great, and so is your grammar. Friends, how about you? What did you do yesterday?
Tell us in the comments. Write 2 or 3 short sentences in English.
For example, I woke up at 7. I went to work. I cooked dinner.
Or, I watched Netflix. I ate pizza. I didn't do my homework.
That sounds like Jake. Remember, small practice every day creates big progress.
5 minutes of English a day keeps confusion away.
I love that motto. And next time, we'll continue with the past simple of to be, was and were for facts and feelings.
Can't wait. I'll be ready. I was ready. I will be.
All tenses are happy. For today, you did amazing.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, friends, for learning with us. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Do You Know English.
Leave a short comment about your yesterday.
Take care, keep practicing, and remember, you're amazing.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Goodbye, friends. See you soon.